The following is a demonstration of some troubleshooting steps that you can take in case there are issues with your collections. We are starting on the All Cases page and will navigate to our collection tasks to see if there are any possible issues. In the FSA collection task list, we notice that for Server 2 SharePoint Server, the status is partial success. Even though it is a success, we are wondering what part may not have been completed. So we will click on Partial Success to see the status of the task. In the Collection Task Status dialog box, there is no indication of what is meant by partial success. We remember that when the collection task ran, there was a collection job associated with that. So we will go to the System Jobs list and find the collection job associated with this collection task. On the System Jobs page, we need to change the context from System Jobs to All Jobs. Also, we remembered that we did not run this task within the last 24 hours, so we will change when the jobs were updated. We have now located the collection job associated with the SharePoint Server collection task. We will open up the log by clicking the icon in front of the success under the status. In the job log, it says that the partial success was due to validation errors. Now at this point, we have a couple different options. We could search the internet for this particular error message. We could go to the Symantec Clearwell support site and search for this error message, or we could decide to engage support. Another option is that if we're comfortable with troubleshooting, we could go and look at the detail logs on the System Logs page. If we had decided to engage support, we could send the logs to Clearwell. This will be shown in a different demonstration. If we wish to view the logs ourselves, we would click the View Logs tab. You can see that there are many logs on the View Logs tab. To help us narrow down which log we want to look at, we will go to the containing field, type in SharePoint, and then click Update. The log that contains the information that we're interested in is going to be the ICP-remote ICP job log. So we'll click on that log and open it up. You can see that there's a lot of information inside of this log. Some of this information doesn't pertain specifically to our SharePoint issue. So again, at this particular point, you may decide to engage support. If you do wish to continue and try to find the error message, because we are dealing with SharePoint, we'll go up to the text field, type in SharePoint, and then we will click grep so that it will return all the lines in the log that have SharePoint in them. Even though we have narrowed down the number of lines in the log to those containing SharePoint, there is still a lot of information displayed. However, we can scroll down and look for warnings or errors to see if it gives us details about the issue we're having. As you can see, we did find a warning, and this warning says that we could not collect from a certain folder. So this may be a permission or a network connectivity issue. However, again, this may be too complicated for us to troubleshoot, and we may want to turn this over to support. A demonstration of how to work with support is in a different demonstration. That concludes the demonstration.